So just guess how much money you can make with a new channel, which is one video, around 20 views or so a day, and only 6 subscribers. Because I can almost guarantee you that you're not going to come anywhere close to what's actually possible in your guess, especially if you are used to people just making money through YouTube monetization. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how much money we are able to make from just one of our channels with a tiny presence on YouTube, and break down for you exactly how you can do the same. So let's roll. Hey, it's Ia Ray from digitaltrailblazer.com, and the reason that I really wanted to have this conversation with you here today is that time and time again, we see people really missing out on the opportunity here on YouTube. They're focused way too hard on growing their channels, getting more views and more subscribers, and all the while, they could have been making some serious money with what they already have. Now, we really see this as the difference between just being a YouTuber and having an online business that uses YouTube in order to make money. It's an important distinction. Now, if your goal is to create an income online to support your family, support yourself, then you're thinking way too small if you are focused on YouTube monetization, and you need to open your eyes and start thinking as an online business that's using YouTube to make money. So how exactly is this done? How do you do this? Well, let's break down how to do it, and then I'll reveal to you how much this specific video brings in for us within 1 month's time. Now, you don't need to do this with every video you publish, and honestly, you shouldn't do this, especially if you want to create a loyal and engaged audience. You shouldn't do it with every video, but putting a few of these into your video library can drastically increase your income. Now, the first step is to have a super targeted video that helps people who are ready to make a purchase. They've got their credit card in hand. They're ready to make a purchase. Now, this video, our case study we're talking about today, it's a review video that compares several different companies' products for people who are ready to purchase. Who wants to watch that video? Well, someone who wants to make a purchase and they want to know which specific item they should purchase. So they've got their credit card in hand, and they're looking for the information they need to pull the trigger and make a purchase. That is a money video. Now, the second step is to provide them with a link to purchase. Now, you can do this in a couple ways, whether you're doing your own product that you've created and that you sell, or by just using an affiliate link where you get a cut of the sales price for someone else's product. Now, obviously, you're going to make more money if you're selling something that you've created, a product that you offer, and that can be either a digital product or a physical product. Now, in this example, the product is our physical product, so we make 100% of the profits. And the third step is to work to create a high CTR or click-through rate for your video. That's the analytic that you see in your back office that shows you of all the people who are shown your thumbnail and your title, the percentage that actually clicks to watch the video. So you want to get that as high as possible, and you want people to stay on your video and watch it. And so you want to look at your AVD, or average view duration, how many minutes and seconds on average people are watching your video, and your AVP, average view percentage. That's a percentage of the video that on average gets watched. Now, you want to make sure to get these up as high as you can so that YouTube actually wants to put your video in front of more people. Now, in this example video, the click-through rate is 4.6%, which is solid for this type of video. And the average view percentage, AVP, is close to 50%. That's also very good. So not only does this give us ranking at the top within YouTube, but this video even ranks at the top within Google results. So even though there's not a ton of search volume every month for this specific topic, we're in front of everyone who's actually looking for it. So we get all of the right people in front of our video. Now, for the big question, how much money do we actually generate from this one video in 1 month's time? On a channel with only 6 subscribers, getting about 20 views per day? Well, drum roll please. $2,242.81. It's completely ridiculous for the amount of traffic that it gets, but it's really important targeted traffic of people who are ready to make a purchase. And this is exactly why you should not just rely on YouTube monetization, because this same video would probably need around 2 to 3 million views to generate $2,000 from YouTube monetization. Now, we make a lot of money on this product because it's our own product that we're selling. We're getting all of the profits from it, but obviously that takes some money up front and some effort to be able to develop the product, get it manufactured, imported, and everything else. So what do you do if you don't have a product yet to sell? Well, the easiest way to get started doing this with your videos is to use affiliate marketing. So if you took that exact same video, put in the affiliate link to someone else's product instead of your own, on Amazon, this product category pays 4% commissions. So just by referring people to buy this product through your Amazon affiliate link, we'd still make about $100 a month from the same video. Now, $100 is nice, especially for a brand new channel with one video, 6 subscribers, and about 20 views a day. But it is a far cry from the 2,200 that it could do. So it's a great idea to get started using the affiliate product stuff and then work towards creating your own products. Now, to learn how to really shift your mindset and understand the important parts of building an online business instead of just being a YouTuber, we do have a free training. It's in the description. Check it out and get some really great training to help you understand the difference and how you can really shift what you're doing online to make more money. And now, to learn the 5 different ways that you can start making money with just a small channel on YouTube, you want to click this video next, upper right corner of your screen, or the top link in the description. I'll see you there.